Hey guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to change the Xenon bulb on a Mini Cooper Countryman. This is a 2013 Countryman. So these aren't clipped in with clips, they spin. So you spin it out. I've already taken off the power. Take off the power first, please. I'm not sure if there's any kind of capacitance on these bulbs, so be careful. But we're going to pop the connector off there, take a new bulb out, same orientation, we're going to clip the new bulb in, and we're going to put the bulb in just like we took it out. These are kind of pricey bulbs, be careful. That said, it's a lot cheaper to do it this way than it is to have it done at the dealer. Get it seated in there first. And spin it into place. And that is in there. Put the lid back on. Plug the power back in, and we should be good to go. Hope that helped.